The Rack Shop is proud to present this Dodge Ram 1500 short bed pickup truck, and we've just installed the Yakima HD bed rack system. So that consists of the HD load bar, 60 inches in length, and the OverHaul HD tower set. That comes in a set of 4. So the no drill installation simply clamps onto the bed rails with the supplied mounting hardware. Locks are also included. Tamper resistant hardware is also included for the points that don't actually have a lock and key. So you do need a special wrench to adjust it or take on and off the crossbars, which the HD crossbars are a super robust bar, yet also compatible with tons of Yakima accessories right off the shelf. So bike mounts, kayak mounts, out of the box to fit the bar without any special adapters. So here you can see one of the lock housings keeping the tower in place, integrated tie-down points, and bottle openers, because you can never have enough bottle openers. So this is adjustable from 19 inches up to about 30 inches, 500-pound carrying capacity, short bed. You get a crossbar spacing of about 58 inches front to back. So this is just a quick walk around. For more details, pictures, pricing, and availability, please click the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can see all that good stuff. So again, this is the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack system on a Dodge Ram 1500 short bed. But like always, thanks for watching.